I'm Jen and welcome to my studio, and today we're going to be doing a technique exercise that involves balance and weight control, but also Irishes. So this is something I love to do across the floor with my students, but I thought I would do it as like a technique exercise with some variations with you guys. So I'm super excited. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm trying to film this super quick because Sayuri really wants my attention today. So it starts with the same pattern. We have 3 different ways. Shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, 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 hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, 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 hop, step. So you do it right and then left. It's 2 regular Irishes. On that second one, you plant your weight on that toe. So you're in tap position, that little bent knee releve. And then you have 3 shuffles before you do it. So you really have to balance. It's shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Then you do it on the left. Shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. That balance is the point of the exercise. So that's the bread and butter of it. The Irish, Irish, shuffle, shuffle, Irish, 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 shuffle, shuffle, Irish. Then we're going to vary it up 2 different ways. We're going to do riffles instead of shuffles. And then the third time, we're going to add a pullback to it, but go back to the shuffles. We don't need to do all that mess. So the first set is just Irishes. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. Then riffles. Then with pullbacks. Pullbacks one is so hard. So hard. So let's try to do it without music, and then we'll set it to some music. It's just a quick one today, but it's a great exercise to learn. So let's do this. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. My hurt knee was like, no. All right, that's really hard, isn't it? Oh my goodness. Doing them back to back is really hard. Okay, let's try it to some music. Just for fun, let's do this. Ready? Shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, 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 hop, step. We got this. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. My knee doesn't want to do that again. So if you want to do it again with me, just rewind and do it again. That was a fun one. I really liked that one. So I hope you guys enjoyed this technique exercise. I love doing these with you. Good one for working on balance. I feel that in my quads. So if you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit the subscribe button and join the TAP fam. I've got technique exercises like this, step tutorials, choreography tutorials, lots of fun stuff. It's all free and it's all for you. Hello, Sayuri. She really wants my attention. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up button because it helps other tap dancers find this channel easier, and who doesn't want free tap class, right? So subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and as always,